All right, before I show you how I made over $60,000 in my own dropshipping store in less than 3 months, I'm gonna show you the process because it's actually very easy. First, you're gonna find the perfect product to sell, and then you're gonna head over to shopify.com where you're gonna actually make your website. It's very easy, but make it look simple and unique. Then simply you just order the product to your house, and from there, you just go ahead and create content on TikTok at the hopes of going viral and making tons of money. But you're probably watching this video because you wanna know how I made $60,000 with my one dropshipping store here, and what product was I even selling? You see, one day I was just scrolling through TikTok on my phone, and I came across this actual product that came up on my TikTok For You page. And when I saw this video, I kid you not, it was absolutely going viral. And it was this water bottle right here with a gemstone inside of it. You just use this product to drink water. It's literally a water bottle, but why was there so many people who wanted to buy this product? There were so many people commenting, I wanna get this, where do I find this, how do I buy this? And all of these questions were coming from customers, who actually wanted this product, but couldn't actually find the product or get more information about it. So I knew that from the demand alone, it was something that was gonna actually be an emotional-based product. It's gonna be something that's based around someone's emotion and how they feel when they wanna actually buy the product. It relates directly to their life and an emotion that they feel when they actually use this product. So that's the actual angle that I took when I sold the product. You see, you just have to be careful. You don't wanna sell products that are dangerous, that people ingest, that people have to take a risk with. You don't wanna even, be responsible for something like that. So just make sure that you're staying in the guidelines of TikTok when you're making videos. You're not just showing products that are gonna cause harm and things like that, like lighters, for example. So I went to TikTok and Instagram and I created basically brand new accounts on there, and keep it very simple with your bio and your picture. For my picture, I just uploaded a picture of my product. And for my actual bio, I just put simply this in my bio so people knew where to actually get the product from. And as soon as I passed 1,000 followers, I put the link in my bio so people can actually go to my website and buy the product, but not just the actual homepage, but the actual product page where the product was actually listed on. So we're on my TikTok page right now. I'm putting it on the screen right here, and you can see when I was actually starting to post videos, I was just keeping this simple kind of dialogue caption-based posting where I was talking about kind of the customer's experience when they were buying a similar product to mine or my product. And I was just experimenting with a ton of different types of videos because I was seeing that the conversation videos were working very well. So in the beginning, I was starting to post a lot of these conversation type videos. Now you can see on my TikTok page, there's millions of views on this account, and there's a lot of people engaging and commenting about the actual content. So there was a lot of understanding of what I could do in the future based off of even the first couple of videos that I uploaded. Now, what was really interesting about this store was as soon as I started uploading content, I got my first 100K view video. In my first video, I got 100K views on it. So from March 3rd or March 4th, whenever this screenshot was taken, I had 0 followers and I had just started the page. But as soon as I started uploading, I got to over 1,000 followers in just 72 hours alone, which allowed me to put the link in my actual TikTok bio. Now, as soon as I did that, on my 7th video, I got another 100K view video, but I wanna talk about how I was getting back-to-back 100K view videos just with a brand new account. Because you see, on TikTok, you're not really gonna make money if your video gets 1,000 views or 10,000 views, but you're really gonna make money if your video gets 100K views, 500K views, 300K views, or even 1,000,000 views, because then it's going on what they call the For You page on TikTok, which serves your video to different people who haven't seen it before. You see, how we really took the content to the next level was we started brainstorming types of different conversations that customers could have with our brand and use that customer conversation as a video, because we started to see a ton of people asking outrageous comments. And at one point we saw so many people asking such outrageous comments or giving stories about the outrageous things that they've experienced in their relationships and their lives. And we started to actually use some of those comments as content for our actual page. You see, all we would do, as you see on this video here, we'd put a dialogue actually between the brand, which was us, and the customer, and going back and forth saying some ridiculous story, but the story would have to relate directly with the product that was in the video. And in the video, we had a product that was, say, an aura water bottle, right? Or I believe there's these different kind of stones that they have. So one of them was a rose quartz stone. We would make some sort of joke about a rose quartz stone or a person who uses rose quartz in the actual video. So people who would use the rose quartz stone in their own lives because it's, tied to them in their birthday or whatever it is, they actually relate to it and they like the stone, they would relate to the video. And that's why I feel like we really went viral, because as soon as we switched up the content and started to actually listen to the consumer and the people who are actually watching the videos and tailoring it more towards why they would actually watch the video or even like the product from the video, that's when we really started to take off and go viral. Now, no one was really buying in the beginning until we got one of our first biggest videos on YouTube Shorts, and that was because a lot of people from TikTok were just going and actually viewing the video, but not really being intrigued enough to buy it because they didn't know that we were the ones selling the product. It didn't really start clicking for us until we started moving over to YouTube Shorts and Instagram Reels, where we just repurposed the content from the actual TikTok page and re-uploaded it onto Instagram and YouTube Shorts. And on YouTube Shorts, we saw our biggest success yet. And when we started to go viral on YouTube Shorts is when we passed our first $20,000 in 1 month. And this was a crazy experience because, again, organic marketing, you're not spending any money on ads. You literally just have to go and order the product and create the videos and post them to TikTok and YouTube Shorts and Instagram Reels, which is very easy to do. It only takes an hour or two a day. And I was doing this while running a full business of 12 employees. So you can do this as well. And I feel like really the reason we went viral was because we had a consistent schedule for posting. And we also switched up our content from just comedy content to more speaking about to why somebody would be relating to this product to actually purchase it. Now, a lot of you are probably wondering how much profit did we make? And so we made over $20,000 in profit, but make sure if you want to do something like this, that you actually make the videos good, you make them comedic, you make people actually enjoy watching the videos, but you also don't let them forget that you're the one who's actually selling this product, because if you don't let them know that, then you're not going to be making a lot of money. Because see, the only expense that we really had was just ordering a ton of these water bottles to our house, which I think cost us around $250. We also bought some ingredients and things like that for the videos that we made. So all in all, we spent less than $1,000 and made over $18,000, almost $20,000 in profit. You also have to make sure that you're not putting crazy things in your videos or else they'll catch on. Like, for example, statements about people that are sinister or saying certain things that are going to cause you to get community banned, like cursing or things like that, making people feel a certain type of way. And that's actually what happened to us with this store here. So with my total expenses being less than $500, I feel like any beginner can do this, especially with just some money that you have lying around, because all you have to do is order the product, which doesn't cost you any money at all. You don't need to go order hundreds of products like I did, but literally just go order one of your products and simply just create a TikTok account, recreate the viral videos from other people who are already selling that product online, and create your own store so people can actually come to your store and buy the product from you. You literally don't need to worry anymore about losing all your budget on ads, getting your ad account banned, and losing money on stores and unprofitable businesses, because now you can literally repeat this over and over again until you find something that works with spending little to no money. I think all that's left is I take my $20,000 and go put my down payment on my Lamborghini.